The camper was built from 3 shopping carts. This is where I had to cut off the back stationary casters and replace them with turning casters. This is where a little bit of welding had to be done to combine the shopping carts. This is where I added string for extra support for the shrink wrap. This is where I added duct tape to cover up any of the sharp edges before putting the shrink wrap on. I used the top of the cage to create a template for the foam mattress that goes inside. I used a crowbar to force the sunshade, which was the door that opens only to the inside, to now open to the outside.